And we became blue collars.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep, come on. Let's go, guys. Don't code all day. Come on, people. Come on.
Thank you. Slow it down.
Oh. Okay, this next car, I'm going to try and make it stop. Dude, that worked so good. That could not have worked any better.
Slow down, sir. Slow down. Dickhead. He starts driving off like nothing. Hey, what's going on? Oh, it's really snowy around here. We've gotten a lot of like car crashes in a little bit. Didn't stop. He didn't stop. He didn't stop for the light. You're good.
Oh my God!
Needed to build medical. Wait, what? In this movie ever since we were kids. What does it cost you? Shut your fire!
Kid, you gotta be kidding me. Kid, get out of this cab.
I'm Michael. Michael Afton.
Oh, look at this. Let's go.
Banger.
Banger? I need an outro. What
do you want me to say?
Anything. That one knows exactly.
Alright, see you guys for the next one.